There's pre-market has given us absolutely nothing. Asia session, it's terrible. Just chopped like crazy during Asia. Just mark out Asia highs, Asia lows. See what gold is done. We had this hourly imbalance here, but prices just half invested. It's not clean enough to go off anything. Just marking out key highs, key lows. It's not literally. Prices has kind of given us nothing so far this morning. No. Well, looks like London session has opened up very bullish. My bias on GU and EU is definitely bearish though. But yeah, that price action is pretty shit. This 30-minute gap. Maybe back out into equilibrium. Taps into that gap. Don't know though. Again, just marking out some key levels. Very sloppy price action right now. I am looking for the dollar to go up today. I'm looking forward to receive anything's coming. So there is news today. I mean, GJ's moving the cleanest out of the lot, but it's the hourly gap right here. Prices is currently filling, and equilibrium. But I don't really know if I want to trade GJ because I don't really know if I would be sitting in a trade for 17 hours whilst it just chops sideways. And EU's just kind of doing nothing. Same with GU. Oh man, this is long. So that 4-hour price action. I mean, we're in an uptrend for sure. We can definitely I'd rather be looking for buyers than sells. We did tap into this weekly gap at the end of last week. So then that GJPY isn't looking terrible now. Obviously there's no 4-hour price action. It's terrible. That hourly is quite okay. I mean, if we can inverse this gap, maybe. So we've still got to wait an hour though. Some potential highs that GJ maybe could target. But yeah, now today I'm literally only going to be trading on. I'm only going to be taking one trade today maximum, maybe even zero. But I have I'll be trading on my equity edge 100k funded. But yeah, there is a consistency rule on that funded account, so I'll only be taking 1%. One trade, sorry. Someone to count on. GJ having a nice reaction out of this gap, but I've still got 50 minutes anyway. I'm not 100% sure whether I want gold to keep coming down or go back up now. I think maybe there's more risk and liquidity here, maybe some sort of swoop. But I don't know, we'll see. Hey, I get you now, and it's saying. to the dance floor. You and me, 'cause that's what it's for. Show you now what it is. We got to get through it. And the music in the house is so soothing. I wanna dance the right way, you see. It's just a party, so now come with me. Take me away. I wanna dance the night away, you see. It's just a party, so now. Great equalize here as well. Maybe I should just sweep that. So I didn't pretty sweep that as well. You and me, 'cause that's what it's for. So now, that's actually pretty good sweep. All okay, yeah. I'm definitely bullish. And tapped into this 15-minute right here. So you know bruv. Fucking bare tired, man. To pick my dad up from the airport at fucking 3 AM. It's not fucking good. It's not a good mix to have. Picking dad up at airport and then going and then trying to trade the next day at fucking 8 AM. Been up since 7:30. It's long. It's fucking long, mate. It's fucking long. It's fucking get the vibes going though. Deeper. You catch my breath, I run, pull it deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I could get closer. A little cheap there, to be fair. And then just look at this 5-minute price action. It's not one fucking fair value gap in sight. Crazy. Little big push there from EU. But, fucking hell. Catch my It would have been wild. I think it's not that far. Pull it deeper, I cannot confirm. You in the lobby. Get hard. You in the lobby. GJ's gonna inverse this gap. And I'm pushing up to these highs. Well, let's see. I'll have to pair it with at least a 5-minute confluence if I do get an entry, but obviously I'm going to wait for the candle close on the hourly time frame. So we've still got 43 minutes minimum if we were to trade GJ. But then, again, I don't really know what else I'd be trading because this is just terrible price action. Same with this, it's terrible. GJ's the only thing that's moving half alright. It's had a sweep. So these lows down here, pushing up, we tapped into a 15-minute FVG, which, to be fair, could have been enough for an entry. I think if this hourly gap wasn't here, I would have actually entered already. But yeah, this hourly gap is here, so obviously we gotta respect that it's there, and wait to see how price reacts out of it. Oh shit. I run. Pull it deeper, I cannot confess. Shouted in the chaos. I can't catch my catch my. Maybe E or G can sweep previous session highs. I do want both of them to continue heading down. We've got only 4-hour gaps. There's a 4-hour gap here on E. And there is on SG, sorry. And there's also a 4-hour gap on here on E. Maybe price wants to tap into this 4-hour gap. Maybe price wants to tap into that 4-hour gap and then continue heading down. Maybe we'll see on it. We will see. There's also there's some liquidity though as well. Rest in liquidity. Yeah, man. DJ's having a big push up, but obviously can't really do anything. I'm gonna go have a fucking cup of tea. Fuck this. Oh, you little fucker. Oh shit then. Fucking hell. GJ done a mad thing. Thought it would, but kind of just gotta fucking be patient, innit? Gold's pushing up now. Might inverse this gap. If we do, I will look for potential buys on gold, but also we've got to wait 4 more minutes to be fair. If gold inverse that gap, so I might be looking at gold buys. GJ's gone really bullish. I knew it would, but it's fucking AIDS. But yeah. The reason I didn't enter there is because the amount of times I've been fucked by entering off a higher time frame for value, getting inversed before the candle closes, and the candle ends up respecting it. Fucking hell, eyes up. Yeah, but it ends up respecting it. It's like it's not worth. It's like, well, I've literally fucking back tested it anyway, but yeah, it's I think it's just the amount of times I've been fucking raped because I've entered and then all of a sudden the candle ends up fucking respecting the fair value gap the last like 2 minutes of before the candle closes. But this is quite a strong close to be fair, so I'm assuming price is gonna just continue going up because we did have the 2 inverses on the 30-minute. But if I can get a retracement maybe into this 5-minute gap right here, or this one if one gets created, if I get a retracement into this 5-minute gap and get a good strong reaction out of it, then there's no reason. What the hell is going on? There's no reason why I can't get an entry, to be fair. So I have 2 30-minute inverses. I'm gonna pull back there, and we've that'll be pretty perfect if I can get a pull back into that 5-minute fair value gap. But we'll see in it. But you see what I mean, for example here. End off this inverse, like you think, oh, it's definitely inversed it, and then look at it now. It's pulling all the way back down. I'm not saying it's not going to inverse it, but I'm just saying it's very good to just wait and be patient. Patience pays. Patience does fucking pay. Yeah. I might as well show you guys my fucking dashboard here. This is one of my 100k. Oh no, is this one? Yeah, it's one of my 100k accounts. I've already reached the profit target, but I'm literally just waiting because it's a minimum of 3 trading days, and yeah, I've just got to wait until tomorrow basically, and then I'll be on a phase 2 of that. And here's another 100k, which is obviously already funded, and I am currently up 10k. And I literally just requested a 10. Oh my days, what the fuck! I just requested an 8k payout on that, which hopefully will get approved tomorrow. I requested it on Friday. Hopefully we'll get that tomorrow. Should be fucking quite tasty, to be fair. That's hot. And yeah, at the moment I am literally just trading funded accounts, so I've got no live accounts, and obviously I have 100k with Equity Edge as well, which I'll be trading today. Yeah, I've literally I have no live account, but I am looking to get a live account going sooner than later. That's disgusting. I mean, it'd be ideal for price to come into the gap. I'm not sure if it will. It might just keep going up. And gold. And it'll push down into this 5-minute gap. But did it even fully inverse? No. Again, a lot of people think, oh, that's an inverse. But for me anyway, I would never enter off that just because it hasn't fully inversed. And the amount of times I've entered, like, just wanting to be in a trade, and I've been killed because it hasn't actually fully inversed that gap, is a lot. I mean, this price action's choppy as fuck. Same with GE right now. I mean, GE is kind of moving okay to the upside. Like, we had this tap into this 15-minute gap here, and we've kind of been going up ever since. But yeah, the 5-minute and the 30-minute is not great. So we'll just stay patient. I'll be honest. We're probably looking most likely at GJ. GJ can have a pullback into that FVG, then most likely we'll probably get an entry. I'm trying to fucking go live on TikTok. To be fair, probably. But I think I've already got a place. I could place a trade on that trader. To be fair. All my days. You guys can actually see the chart there. Around. Jeez, going mad. Yeah, so I'm waiting for GJ to come into this gap right here, but it's not looking like it's moving. Gold, I'm kind of on the fence about. Like, it's not really doing much right now, but yeah, we just filled this 30-minute gap, but we haven't fully inversed it, and we're still in this 1 hour. here. Maybe wait for the 1 hour close, see how it closes. But GJ, man, I knew it was gonna go, but just have to fucking be patient, innit? Hold that live. Probably get some fucking healthy moons going, to be fair. Oh no, I need one. Just gotta take this off. Not for those likes, brother. Look at GU, man, it's fucking going. Little break there. Told you anyway, GU pushing up into this 4 hour gap, potentially. Come on then, GJ. I'm currently looking at GJ, the pound to the yen, right now. I'm waiting for it to come into this gap and then I'll be buying longs. Gold did have a clean push into this 5-minute gap right here. But again, just have to be patient. This shit. To be fair, gold comes into equilibrium quite perfectly. We get 5-minute inverse here. I'm not against going short. DXY, man, just doing nothing. Suit these lows. Shit song, this one. Can't blame myself again. Ain't no way in this blue chain, my tears dry on their own. He walks away. Oh, GJ pushed into this gap. Is he going to respect it? No. Told you. GJ comes into equilibrium here, and then we long it. Long it up to these highs potentially. This has got to be our entry. Blue chase, my tears dry on their own. EU is dumping. In your way, and the chase, my tears dry. Maybe potential gold sells. Inverse that gap. Stops above the high right there. Potentially. Jesus, respecting that gap now. Something to hold this up, that's not my fucking cup of tea. We were so much in love, baby. Ooh, yeah. We were so much in love, baby. Ooh, for that VOG. Baby, ooh, yeah. We were so much in love, baby. Ooh, yeah. We were so much in love, baby. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I'm so in love with you. 'Cause I'm so in love with you. 'Cause I'm so in love with you. So much in love. Oh shit. I might potentially end a GJ longs here. we have respected this 5-minute gap. Mm. 20 pip stop. Just a party, so now come with me. Take me away. Alright, cool. Calculate our lot size. Oh my god, this load. This percentage 0.6. Stop loss. 20 pips. GG. That doesn't really matter. 4.5 lots. Oh, to be fair, maybe prices when I come through that 15. For now, we're gonna wait, but we have our lot size ready. If we either come into equilibrium here or break structure above these highs, I'm going to be entering a long. But obviously we kind of just have to wait. Party time tonight. To be fair, we are getting another reaction out of this fair value gap here. We also have this 15-minute gap. Dancing, dancing, dancing. But we're going to be focusing on the 5-minute gap, I'm not going to lie. What the fuck is going on? We got a party to go to. We got a party to go to. We got a party to go to tonight. I've been saving up all day just for this. I am ready and I am We're already getting a reaction. Price to come into full equilibrium. I'm pretty sure price, obviously I can't say for definite, but I'm quite sure price is going to come into EQ, and then we can enter along, hopefully, from around here. But, like I said before, I'm not going to be going for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 is the reward, just because the equity edge is a consistency rule, so I will literally just be going for maybe a 1 to 2, maybe even a 1 to 1.5 R. So yeah, some highs here, I might even just target them. I'm going to be having a 20 pip stop loss if I get the entry, which it's looking like we might, but because price hasn't tapped into this 5 minute yet, but obviously we have this unfilled 15 minute which has just been tapped into and is currently getting respected, but obviously have to wait. Hope it'd be ideal if price could come into EQ first and then respect it, but obviously we're going to be patient either way, because I think we might as well, now we've waited all this time, wait for the 15 minute close. So we obviously won't be able to enter for another 9 minutes anyway. What a shit trying I'm just going to put a line there just so I know where the 5 minute gap is. We haven't even come into the 5 minute, but price is wicking heavy off that 15 minute. But like I said, patience is key, because it could easily be manipulating us to enter right now. Price does that a lot with fair value gaps, especially higher time frame ones. Even 5 minutes, 30 minute out, any fair value gap, apart from maybe 1 minute, literally taps in, it'll have a big reaction out, whether it's inversing it fully or respecting it fully. Then all of a sudden, price will literally just reverse. So it will have a big respect, it will respect it big for the first 10 minutes of the candle if it's a 15 minute, for example, and then the last 5 minutes it might let everyone get their entries and then go on to inverse that candle, that fair value gap, just to stop everyone out, which is something I've learned from getting stopped out a lot. But so that's why I always wait for candle closures when trading fair value gaps. I said I don't need your love, now you're just somebody that I used to know. Somebody I used to know. It's just not really tradable, to be honest. Mate, I've got some bad tunes today. So no one had that for me. Fucking Zanity. You see what I mean? Price is reacting. Clean out the 15-minute. Now all of a sudden we're probably gonna go retest it. Demons wanna get inside, and every day is outside. Every day is a blessing in disguise. It's just patience. Patience is key in this game. Just have to wait, what, 5 more minutes until this candle closure, and then if it does react bullish out, we'll be entering GJ Longs. Probably give me all this patience to get stopped out within 5 minutes. You know, the demons want to get inside. Every day was a blessing in the sky. I'll be hitting up in the watch and I'm geeking when it goes like 3 minutes until this candle, and then GJ Longs. And I don't wanna cry. I'll sometimes check the yen, but like it's a very shit thing to look at on a trading view because well, to be fair, actually today it actually doesn't look that bad. But no, I mean, it's like just look at that. It's like what is that? But yeah, no, if you check the higher time frames on the yen, it's okay. But obviously, it's more for swing trading. I'm not really swing trader, so. But anyway, the yen in general is in a downtrend, and we did just have a big push up on it. So I am predicting another push down, maybe even fucking come down to these lows, which just makes it easy to trade, to be honest. Gonna long GJ, but yeah, we'll see. Two minutes. Let's check one last refresh of news just in case fucking Trump's done anything rogue. Change this one now. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. DJ's on banter today, geez. We said that Julian, it's David Lloyd, please. Dude, he is fucking dumping. See these lows. But, come on man, 25 seconds and I'm in. What's your strategy? To be honest, bro, I originally started with the bootcamp TJR, and I've kind of just built my own strategy from there. I'll kind of be basic ICT concepts, but I am about to enter GJ Long quickly. Sorry, bro. Cool, I just said it. Yeah, I basically just use simple ICT concepts, but I've kind of just back tested my own strategy, and yeah. I've got my own strategy. Yeah, straight into drawdown here. This is probably like one of the worst entries I could have ever got in my whole life. But yeah, when I think of you sometimes, gotta spend some time with you. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us. We might actually get stopped out in like 2 minutes. It's looking likely. It's looking likely. The sky, just the two of us, you and I. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us. Like I said, I'm not going for a big trade as the consistency rule, but we might. Oh my god, no! We are about to get stopped out within literally 1, 2, 3 minutes. Great, is what it is. I mean, price is now pushing its equilibrium, which we did say it was going to. Down the hall. When the morning comes, see the morning sun on you. I'm pretty sure that's us stopped out within literally, yeah. Oh well. Stop loss within literally, that is crazy. 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 minutes. That's why sometimes you can get fucked by trading. You wait 2 hours to get in a trade. You get stopped out in 3 minutes. Oh well. I'll be posting the trade recap anyway, but sweet man. Love.